What's going on? What's going on? Hope everyone is doing well. Sorry, I've been kind of busy, guys. That's why I had a bit of a lack of uploads. But, got a hiccups. But we're back. Today, we have Ballistic Steel, Maximum RPM, oh gosh, y'all hear that? Disillusion Nebula and YouTuber 11 taking on Forbidden Darkness. Andrew Eden, One List, and Xavier Smith. Man. To start off the first round is Maximum RPM and Andrew Eden. Ballistic Steel. Forbidden, oh god, the horrible launch. Redo. Oh, knockout by Maximum RPM. One List, it's your turn. Oh my gosh, Maximum RPM. If Maximum RPM knocks out Xavier Smith, the match is... Oh gosh, these hiccups. The match is over. Goodness gracious. Oh, the horrible launch. Let's see. Oh, that's close. Oh, he's kind of calm this round. YouTuber 11, can you get the job done? Oh, big attack. So far. Xavier Smith has some pretty decent defense, though. With that gravity steel wheel. Oh, these hiccups. Oh, nice. Disillusion Nebula, what you got? Got a little comeback going on. Oh, big hit. I don't know if the stamina is there, though. Oh, made him jump. Nice, nice. Disillusion Nebula puts the first points on the board. Round 2, Maximum RPM versus Andrew Eden. Oh, good hit. Oh, knockout! The tables have turned. YouTuber 11. Oh, big hit by YouTuber 11. Let's see if Andrew Eden can pull this off. Oh, Andrew Eden with the dub. Disillusion Nebula. Andrew Eden. Let's get it. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, they right in the middle. This may come down to stamina. Good hits. Yep, it's gonna come down to stamina. Neither Bay has that much stamina. And Disillusion Nebula pulled that one off. One List. Disillusion Nebula. Oh, big hit. Oh, Disillusion Nebula is landing some beautiful attacks. Not nice. That was not nice. That was not nice. That was not nice. That was quick. The defense of Xavier Smith. Disillusion Nebula. Let's see if we can knock him out or stop him in his tracks. Xavier Smith is going nowhere. He's pretty stable. And Disillusion Nebula sneaks the win on that one. 2-0. Round 3, Maximum RPM, Andrew Eden. This is always a good matchup. Oh, he landed on top of him. Oh, big hit by Andrew. Big hit by Andrew. Andrew with the knockout. Okay. Ever since Andrew got knocked out by Maximum RPM, he has not got knocked out again. It's pretty impressive. Oh, Andrew Eden's playing the middle, trying to be smart. The score is 2-0. Ballistic Steel is up. Oh, almost a knockout by YouTuber 11. coming down to stamina. Nice job, Andrew. Andrew's trying to put his team on the board right now. Let's see what he can do. Took a big hit right there. Oh man, Disillusion Nebula. There you go. Oh my god. Oh, God. Hey, I apologize about these hiccups, man. Goodness gracious. Let's see if Xavier Smith can keep his team alive. Let's see. Game point. Oh, it's over. Ballistic Steel wins with a score of 3-0. Ballistic Steel moves on to 2 wins, 1 loss, while the Forbidden Darkness move on to 0-2. Don't worry, guys, keep on going. But that's today's matchup. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one, and I'm out.